Hi, welcome to Quiz Office. How good is your chemistry knowledge? We have prepared 30 questions for you. Before we start, if you want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Let's go. Which is the lightest element in the periodic table? Yes, is helium. Which element plays an important role in the human body? Nice. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? Great. Which element is the basis of organic compounds? Good job. Which element plays a role in the formation of proteins? Amazing! Which is one of the alkali metals? Fantastic! Which is another alkali metal? Excellent! Which is one of the alkaline earth metals? Yes, is calcium. Which is another alkaline earth metal? Fantastic! Which element plays an important role in human blood? Iron. Which element is involved in the formation of pigments in the skin? Good job! Which element is involved in the formation of some enzymes? Excellent! What is the chemical symbol for the element commonly used in thermometers? Yes, the answer is mercury. Which element is a key component in the Earth's stratosphere and protects us from harmful ultraviolet UV radiation? Yes, is ozone. Which element is used in the production of batteries and tubes? Lead. Which element is known as a liquid metal? Yes is mercury. Which element is used in the production of batteries and pigments? Nice. Which element is known as a soft white metal? Great. Which element is commonly used in the production of fireworks to produce a bright white light? Barium. What is the name of the element commonly used in the manufacture of semiconductors and electronic devices? Excellent. Which element has the highest electronegativity in the periodic table? Yes is fluorine. Which element is known as a toxic gas? Fantastic! Which element is known as a yellow-colored liquid? Good job! Which element plays a role in the formation of thyroid hormones? Excellent! Which element is the least stable element known in the periodic table? Nice! Which element is a noble gas? Yes is radon. Which element is commonly used as a neutron absorber in nuclear reactors? Cadmium. What is the element commonly used in smoke detectors to detect ionizing radiation? Nice! What is the name of the element with the highest atomic number in the periodic table? Nice! What is the name of the element that is a gas at room temperature? Good job! I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you liked my latest video, please like, share, and comment. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel.